So often we try to just cruise quickly through Monday because we're looking toward the next weekend. But this week we're like, all right, let's pump the brakes.
Everybody's happy with this Monday.
Monday and Tuesday.
Yeah, absolutely. It's a good start to the week. And it's funny, I heard from some people online asking, how can we still be in a drought? My yard's all muddy. And I get that. It's that the surface is still damp, but deep below is where the deficits are.
Okay.
So we can use the rain we're going to get at the end of the week. We need a lot more to completely get out of the drought.
Okay.
Because it's this groundwater issue we're dealing with now.
And again, we need not just an afternoon of rain. We need a prolonged.
Yes. And even if your yard looks muddy, it is still mud season.
Oh, yeah.
Like, it will be later this week. We just need that water to seep into the ground and kind of recharge everything. Tomorrow, though, no rain. And in fact, on Wednesday, the best chance for showers will be in central and eastern Maine. I still think there could be a little sun Wednesday. Thursday, by far the wettest day of the week. And then heading into the weekend, it's unsettled, but there will be dry periods. Right now in Bangor, it's 72, clear sky with a calm wind there. In Portland, we're at 63 with the wind coming in off the ocean. And that wind tomorrow has a little bit more influence, which is why it won't be quite as warm coming up tomorrow. 59 now in Bar Harbor. You were in the 60s earlier, but 70s still pretty common. Inland and upper 60s if you're not in the 70s at the moment. Lots of sunshine out there now. There will be more sun tomorrow. Severe weather going through the Midwest, headed from Illinois into Indiana right now. We don't really get into this, but then there's a follow-up wave of low pressure that comes in for us on Thursday, and that's what brings us the rain then. So overnight tonight, it's going to cool down quickly. If you're going to be out late this evening, temps will be dropping, and by morning we're down in the 30s with patchy frost. Could be a little valley fog in spots first thing tomorrow morning. Otherwise, lots of sunshine and a really nice looking day. Not quite as warm as today. 60s will have to do inland and 50s at the coastline. And I have a feeling that if you're out at the coast tomorrow evening, it really will have a chillier feel, because by 6 o'clock, we're already dropping into the upper 40s and low 50s. Now, overnight tomorrow night, clouds will increase. And then for Wednesday, we're looking at mostly cloudy skies. But there still can be some sunshine, especially farther west into New Hampshire. We'll have to see where this axis of showers set up. Some models bring it into eastern Maine sooner in the day. It certainly will be cloudy and cool in eastern Maine. But there could even be some showers here in the morning, even though this particular model doesn't show it. While your best bet for dry weather on Wednesday will be farther west. It does turn damp in the afternoon, I would think, in central and eastern Maine. Then we get a round of some steadier rain through the day on Thursday. Some of that rain heavy at times. We tend to dry out a little bit on Friday. The morning starts showery, but the afternoon looks drier. And Saturday, there's a chance for a shower, but there shouldn't be any steady rain on Saturday. This is a look at the rainfall through Friday evening. A good bet for at least an inch or two, and possibly up to 3 in parts of southern and western Maine if we get some more consistent downpours as that comes through on Thursday. Seas tomorrow around 2 to 3 feet with an east wind 5 to 10 knots on the water. Tomorrow stands out. It's the brightest of the next 7. I think the wettest will be Thursday. And then even though the weekend is cool and a little bit unsettled, if you have outdoor plans on Saturday, as long as the timing doesn't change, Saturday looks mainly dry. Could be some showers on Sunday if another system comes up from the south. But it certainly looks cooler and cooler for a while after the start of this week.
Okay, and then we start May.
Yeah, right.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.